Every year, millions of jackfruits travel thousands of miles to markets mild, but varied around the world.
This one is nearly ready. Color looks perfect.
Directly from the ancient bark, life begins to swell. In a matter of days, they transform into distinct. Each fruit is carefully tracked. Precise measurements ensure top quality. This data helps manage the entire yield. To protect the premium fruit, workers carefully wrap each one. This mesh shields them while allowing natural growth.
The morning sun illuminates the arrival of the harvest. These massive jackfruits are quickly from the trucks into
Pristine jackfruits enter the advanced drying tunnel. High-velocity filtered air removes all surface moisture, preparing them for grading.
Advanced sensors classify each fruit, delivering perfect grading with absolute precision.
Lower it slowly, right there.
Confirmed. Pallet 42 cleared for export.
Cold chain status is optimal.
Humidity levels are holding steady in Sector 4.
Proceed with the automated climate adjustment.
Inside these cold storage walls lies a global operation. Across the vast expanse of the ocean, a silent titan carries its delicate cargo, keeping a global journey on time.
Seal 74 Alpha 9 is intact. We can clear this one.
Noted. Uploading the data now.
The texture is excellent, very firm and moist. Yes, agreed. No signs of pests either. I will input the results now.
These are absolutely massive. The presentation is just stunning. I know, I've never seen them displayed so beautifully.
This is the best jackfruit you'll find in the market, guaranteed. Yeah.
It looks wonderful. The children are very excited to try it.
It smells absolutely divine.
Keep the center open. Got it. Looking for light.
Nourishing the soil is the first step. Drip irrigation ensures perfect moisture.
On this massive plantation, technology drives efficiency. Digital sensors track soil moisture in real time, delivering
Tree health looks optimal in this sector.
Across this vast plantation, the annual jackfruit harvest is in full swing. Efficient teams work quickly to gather these massive.
Inside this massive facility, precision is key. Forklifts move efficiently to organize the premium fruit. Every pallet is now.
A truly endless bounty, sustained by the golden hour, and the hands that work in harmony with the land.